What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're actually going to be assessing some damage on the 36, as I may or may not have broken my diff. Yeah, it's a 427, so I'm not going to use the same one if this one is broken. This is kind of stupid, but anyways, let's get to it. I'm just waiting for Ini to come, and we're going to continue with checking out what's happening with the car. Okay, so I won't bother you with lifting up the car, as you've seen this a million times now. So yeah, I'm just going to get straight to it. So I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah, diff is broken. In the next few days we're probably going to go to change it, and I'm going to show you exactly what has happened with it, because I still don't know. The car is moving, but it can stop moving at any point. So yeah, and we're going to be putting the 345 again, which means low car, which means no third gear, which means fuck. Anyways, okay, so see you in the shop, and I'm going to change the diff. I just finished off work, and I'm now going to my home so I can take the 36 and we can go to the shop so I can change the diff. Ini is going to come with me because she's going to need to drive the 4x4 as it also has issues. The last time we went off-roading, one of my coolant hoses got punctured. I don't have video of this anyways. So yeah, we're going to have to fix this as well. There she is, my baby. Stop it. So we don't have oil in our diff, and let's hope it doesn't break. The diff is really bad, like insanely bad. We actually made it. We are almost there. The diff is about to fall out. Это гума. Мокро ли там или се е разцепило по борда? So we have taken apart the differential now. As you can see, the pinion is fucked up. Now we're going to put the 345. Okay, so now I have to put it back together. Use 75W90 normal gear oil. This is usually a cheap one. I always like to use Vert or something else that's more renowned. It doesn't really matter as long as it holds up heat, but yeah.
Ясно. Fucking it.
We finished with changing the differential. This one is 345, which means longer gears, which means no longer I'm going to be able to use third for roundabouts and stupid stuff like this. So now we just need to drop the car from the lift, put everything back into the car. Yeah, enjoy some drifting footage from the old days, and see you next time.
And no promotion for foreign cars. The game is ours. Let's keep it funky. Who said he was? Like Staten Island, Italians bleed spaghetti sauce. If y'all ain't shaking with stagging, then y'all already lost. Already crossed them like Christ. I'm ready for 'em. Plus anybody that say no, I'm taking numbers. I'm taking names. I'll take your chains. Take this hunger. Pain, pain, pain. Can you feel the thunder and rain? I don't talk it like the ramp, boy. I get it done in the game, y'all. Do me a favor, don't never play with my ball. Never been a player hater, I just ain't playing with y'all. You watch your lane, but look, I'm taking the charge. Going hard to get you 2 shots, now I'm facing a charge.
5 to lie, let's go take a ride. They might get you by surprise if you let it slide. But if you build for the shit, then you might survive. Guess I see you when you